Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the most delicious oven grilled chicken. Without wasting time, let's just get started. See over here, I've got some ingredients. I've got some garlic, I've got ginger, I've got fennel, and I have a medium-sized chopped onions. I'll go ahead, put everything in a blender and blend them up. So blending, this is what we have here. I'll come in with some dark soy sauce, some white pepper, curry, black pepper, my favorite seasoning, and salt to taste. I will come in with about a tablespoon or two of virgin olive oil. That's a good mix. I've got my chicken over here, washed and cleaned very well. Come in with a sharp knife and make some cuts on the chicken. And pour my seasoning mixture onto the meat. I'll come in with my hands and make sure I distribute the seasoning evenly. After which I'll put it in a plastic bag. I'll close this and leave it in the fridge for about 24 hours. So it's the next morning and this is what we have here. I have infused the meat with the seasoning and my baking pan lined with the net. I'll put my chicken on the net. As you can see, it is ready to go into the oven. I'll be baking this for about an hour and a half. The oven has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. After about almost 2 hours, this is what we have here. It is ready. Now, with the great seasoning, this is the very best grilled chicken you can ever have. Smells and tastes delicious. It's tasty on the outside, but in the inside as well. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you